Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by collecting the right files and tools. Download the Android TV image or a compatible stick launcher and install Rufus or Etcher on your PC. Make sure the USB is 8 GB or larger and back up its contents. You will overwrite it. Once done, verify the image checksum to avoid corrupt flashes, then connect the USB to the PC. This rapid setup avoids interruptions later, and it ensures the media you write will boot cleanly on your TV's USB port. You now flash the image to the stick. Open Rufus or Etcher, pick the downloaded Android image, and select the USB drive as target. Choose partition scheme, GPT for UEFI TVs or MBR for legacy BIOS-style boot. Click Write and accept any prompts. Do not remove the drive while flashing. Once the tool verifies the write, safely eject the stick. This step ensures the USB is bootable and the TV can read system partitions. A verified write reduces boot failures. You finish by inserting the USB into the TV and selecting the USB boot option via the input selector or boot menu. Some models require holding a specific button. Follow the Android setup, connect Wi-Fi, and install your launcher or apps. If the TV doesn't boot, make sure USB boot is enabled in settings or try another port and recreate the stick with MBR/GPT swapped. One key troubleshooting tip: reflash with verification enabled and test the stick on a PC to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.